So, nobody asked, I answered. These are the final results. This is what I think. Which one's the best? Hey guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. My name's Olivia and I'm a professional scuba diver. I make a new video every week, so if you're interested in scuba tips, training, or travel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right into the video. So today I'm at the pool and I am here to test out a question that I'm not sure anyone has ever asked, but I was curious. So I want to find out which defog works the best. Is there going to even be a difference between any of them? I don't know, but I'm here to find out, so let's see what happens. So the defogs I am testing today are two different defogs from Gear Aid. One is the anti-fog gel, and the other is their just standard cleaner, so not in a gel form. Then next I have Stream to Seas Mask Defog, and then I have Quick Spit Anti-Fog, and then I'll also be using good old standard regular spit. So those are the 5 I am going to test out. I'll go do one at a time and then I'll let you know what I think. real honest with you. I am a little bit surprised that I actually think I have a preference. I was a little bit like, oh, they're all gonna work, blah, 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 blah. Is there one that works better than the other? No. That being said, I definitely immediately noticed a preference. When it comes to gel versus regular, I far prefer the regular. I do not like the gel. It like doesn't come out of the bottle very smoothly, so then once it does come out, it like squirts a big glop, and I just don't like the application of it at all. Any gel I'm gonna have to pass on. As far as just plain liquid in these two forms, purely for the fact that this one is reef friendly, non-toxic, biodegradable, all those things, I'm gonna give it to Stream to Sea. Yeah, this doesn't ever say anything about being non-toxic or anything. As far as application method goes of a defog, the spray is it. I know this is dramatic for defog, but seriously, that's pretty clutch. Yeah, big fan. Big fan of the spray bottle. And on here it does say that it's eco-friendly. Of course, you can't ever go wrong with the old tried and true, just spit it into your mask. So if all else fails, then you always have your own natural saliva that works pretty dang good. But this application, the spray, amazing. One more thing, as far as smell goes, this one does have a little bit of a scent. The rest of them don't smell like anything, if that matters to you. So, nobody asked, I answered. These are the final results. This is what I think. Which one's the best? Spray is definitely my favorite application method for defog. Stream to Sea, just as far as brand goes, for keeping our oceans in mind. Big fan. Spit is a tried and true. You cannot go wrong. Is this a video anyone wanted? I don't know. But it was kind of fun. It's literally 10:42 p.m. That's p.m. Should we go beauty guru style? Dive ended. Wow, this Tarek, I tell you what, side note, this thing is incredible.